I was recently gifted this magnetic car phone holder that also rotates 360 degrees and attaches very easily to the dashboard. So I'll show you how it attaches, and then I'll show you how I use it. First of all, this is the box it comes in, very nicely packaged. You get a nice set of directions. You do get some toolkit that if you do need to have a magnetic ring on your phone, I do not need to do that. I have a Magsafe phone that fits nicely, but it does accommodate that if you don't. And then it also has some wipes, a wet wipe and a dry wipe, to be able to prepare the area that you're going to put it on, which I'll use in a second. First of all, just let me show you what it looks like. As you can see, it collapses down. And you'll see when I put it together, when I put it on, you can move it all around. And if it can move around 360 degrees all around. So you can see and hear it click. So it moves around nicely for your phone. Now, to be able to attach it, has a suction cup here and adhesive. However, before I do that, I look at my surface. I have a nice flat surface here. Should not be an issue to put it on. I am going to install it like this. So then it hangs down about right there. So this should not be a big issue to solve. I am going to follow directions though. I am going to use the wipes. I will start first with the wet wipe. Get that out of the package. And then I will wipe down the area where I'm going to do the install. And then I will get the dry wipe, dry it off. And again, this is just to make sure that you don't have any dust and anything that's going to make it not attach as nicely as you want it to. So let me dry it up right now. All right, I'm going to let that set for a minute. All right, I let that set for a few minutes, and it's nice and dry, nice and clean. So what I'm going to do next is remove the adhesive, stick it on there, and then move it to the lock position. So that's the suction cup. So you got both the adhesive as well as the suction cup. So I am going to first remove the adhesive. I'm going to install it exactly where I want, which is right here. And then I'm going to move it clockwise. So I am going to go until I hear it click shut. So I'm going to go down, 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 move it clockwise till I hear a click. And there it is. I heard the click. So I'm going to let it set there for a bit until, and so it can take, and then I will put the phone on there and show you how it works. But now it is on there. Again, just going to let it set. And I'll come back and show you with the phone on it. All right, we've let that set a bit, and it's all looking good. And I will now attach, I do have an iPhone 15 that does have MagSafe case on it. And so I did not have to use any of the accessories to be able to put anything magnetic on it. So let me show you, see how this works. So let's go up, and right there, as you'll see, that's where I'm putting mine. So right away, click, boom, right away. That thing is on there solid. If you look how that moves, it like does not, it's way solid. So if you have a MagSafe, boy, is that thing solid. So that thing works very nicely right there. Click it around if you want. Move it that way, move it this way, any of those ways. Look at that. And then comes off, right back on. And then you can move it around if you want. So it can definitely be moved, whichever way you want. You can definitely click it to move it way closer if you want, or further away if you want. Easy to do. So if you're looking for something that is very easy to install, has very strong magnet, 360-degree rotatable, and fits extremely easily, and you can put it pretty much anywhere, I would highly recommend.